Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to delete your Beacon AI account. Okay, Beacon 2.0 AI account. Now first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on this official website beacon.ai, and once you are on the official website, once you logged into your account, you will see like this kind of dashboard on your account, and you need to tap on this setting gear icon at the very bottom side, left bottom side. There is a option settings. Okay, when you click on settings, it will pop up a new screen like this one, and there are multiple options like my account, plans and billing and all. You just need to simply click on my account section, and once you click on my account section, it will show you lots of options. You just need to scroll down, scroll down and scroll down. At the very bottom side there is a option delete account. Okay, and when you click on delete account, it will ask you some more permissions, and you can delete your account by following on screen instructions. Okay, so this is the information by which you can delete your Beacon AI account. Now if you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.